Can A equals 1 and A equals 2 and A equals 3 ever evaluate to true? Is it ever possible that A equals 1 and A equals 2 and A equals 3 could evaluate to true in JavaScript? This is an interview question asked by a major tech company. It happened 2 weeks back, but I'm still trying to find the answer. I know we never write such code in our day-to-day job, but I'm curious. If you take advantage of how equals works, you could simply create an object with a custom toString, or value of, function that changes what it returns each time it is used such that it satisfies all three conditions. Example. Const equals I1 toString function return AI++. The reason this works is due to the use of the loose equality operator. When using loose equality, if one of the operands is of a different type than the other, the engine will attempt to convert one to the other. In the case of an object on the left and a number on the right, it will attempt to convert the object to a number by first calling value of if it is callable, and failing that, it will call toString. I used toString in this case simply because it's what came to mind. Value of would make more sense. If I instead returned a string from toString, the engine would have then attempted to convert the string to a number, giving us the same end result, though with a slightly longer path. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.